Level 1. The funeral. She cleaned out his wallet at the funeral. $11. That's what 40 years of work left behind. No savings. No retirement account. No life insurance. Just an expired Costco card. And a bank still charging $15 a month in maintenance fees. He died broke. The fees didn't stop. His name doesn't matter. Yours does. Her level 2. The slow bleed. You make $48,000 a year. Not poor enough for assistance. Not rich enough to breathe. Right in the middle. Exactly where the system keeps you. After taxes, you bring home around $3,200 a month. Rent, groceries, car, credit cards, utilities. That's $2,890 gone before you exist. $310 left. Some months the water heater breaks. Some months your kid needs school supplies. So you do what the Federal Reserve Bank of New York confirmed. 54% of Americans earning under $50,000 have less than 1 month of savings. You push retirement off just 1 more year. Just until the raise. Just until things calm down. Nobody misses retirement all at once. They miss it paycheck by paycheck. Level 3. The free money. Your employer offered a 401k match. 3% of your salary on $48,000. That's $1,440 a year. Free. Yours. Already budgeted for you. You never enrolled. Not because you were irresponsible. Because you thought you couldn't spare it right now. $1,400 a year. Invested for 22 years at a conservative 7% return. Grows to $80,000. That money was assigned to you. When you missed enrollment, it quietly returned to your employer's operating budget. Check with your HR department. Most plans have an annual open enrollment window. Missing it once and never going back is the most common and most expensive mistake in the script. What to do right now? Log into your HR portal. Search for 401k enrollment. Contribute at least enough to collect the full match. You are not sacrificing money. You are collecting compensation that was already yours. Level 4. How minimum payments were designed your Chase Freedom Card. 24.99% APR. $3,400 balance. Since 2015, your minimum payment, $68 a month. But $61 of that goes straight to interest. The balance barely moves. Over 17 years, that $3,400 purchase becomes $6,900 in total payments. You bought something once, then paid for it twice. The Truth in Lending Act requires this information to be printed on your statement right now. Most people never read it. The fix is arithmetic. An extra $100 a month on that balance cuts payoff from 17 years to 28 months. You save over $5,000 in interest. That is not motivation. That is math. Level 5. The Account Nobody Advertised. You paid roughly $99,000 in federal income taxes over 22 years. Legal. Required. Gone. But there was an account sitting quietly the entire time. A Roth IRA. Money goes in after taxes. Grows completely tax-free. When you withdraw at retirement, 0 tax. Had you contributed the maximum each year for those 22 years, at a conservative 7% return, you would have between $280,000 and $310,000 today. In an account, the IRS cannot touch on withdrawal. You qualified every single year. The 2024 income limit, under $161,000, if single. You earned $48,000. You qualified every single year. Nobody told you? Your credit card ran commercials during every game. Your Roth IRA did not. Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, all 3 offer Roth IRAs with 0 minimums. You can open one tonight and start with $50. The best time was 22 years ago. The second best time is tonight. Level 6. The Invisible Tax. In 2003, $48,000 felt different. By 2023, that same income had the buying power of $29,000. This is Bureau of Labor Statistics data. Inflation averaged 2.9% per year over that period. Your salary did not grow 2.9% every year. While your paycheck struggled, asset prices exploded. The Federal Reserve held interest rates near zero from 2009 to 2022. Cheap borrowing inflated everything people could own. People who owned assets watched their wealth compound automatically. People who held cash fell behind automatically. Nobody feels it all at once. A little less in the cart, a little more stress at the register, a little more on the credit card, until one day your paycheck still says $48,000, but your life feels poorer every single year. Holding cash long-term is not safety. It is guaranteed slow erosion. A total market index fund, something like VTI or VTSAX, has returned an average of 10 to 11% annually over the last 30 years. No stock picking, no advisor, no expertise, just consistency and time. Level 7, the retirement reality. Most Americans don't retire because they achieved freedom. They retire because their body gives out first. The median American between 55 and 64 has $87,500 saved. That's from Vanguard's 2023 How America Saves report. At the 4% safe withdrawal rate, a rule developed by financial planner William Bengen in 1994, that generates $291 a month from savings. Add the average 2024 Social Security payment of $1,700. Combined income, just under $2,000. Median rent for a one-bedroom, $1,497. Source, Zillow 2024. That leaves $494 for everything else. This is not the worst case. This is the middle. This is normal. Every $10,000 additional you save by 65 generates $33 more per month in retirement. $100,000 more, $330 more per month. The difference between surviving retirement and actually having one. Level 8. What you do now. Step 1. Stop the bleeding. Identify your highest interest rate debt. Pay the minimum on everything else. Throw every spare dollar at that one card first. Step 2. Claim what's yours. Log into your HR portal. Enroll in your 401k. Up to the full employer match. Even 1%. Even $20 a paycheck. Step 3. Open a Roth IRA tonight. Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. Start with $50. Put it in a total market index fund. Set it to automatic. Forget it for 20 years. Step 4. Move your savings. If your bank pays under 4% interest, leave. Ally Marcus by Goldman Sachs American Express Savings. All FDIC insured. All paying 4 to 5%. Same government protection, 400 times the interest. Takes 10 minutes. Step 5. Know your number. Use the 4% rule in reverse. Need $3,000 a month in retirement? You need $900,000 saved. Social Security covers $1,700. You need to generate $1,300 more. That requires $390,000. Now it's a number, not a feeling. The turn. The wallet they cleaned out had $11 in it. The system that spent 40 years cleaning him out has $10 trillion. But here's what's different now. You know how the match works. You know how interest compounds against you and how to make it compound for you. You know what the 4% rule means. You know how to switch banks in 10 minutes. The system didn't change. You did. And tomorrow morning, when it opens for business again, you'll know exactly what it's doing.